You guys love home makeovers, so today I'm delivering. You may remember in my last video that I went to a thrift store and I found this incredible armoire that looked like it came directly out of the Chronicles of Narnia. She was only $195, which is insane. It was solid mahogany, and initially I turned her down. I went home and left her there. She had a few flaws on the inside, and I honestly wasn't sure if I had a space to put it. Thank goodness for my YouTube community and all of your wisdom. I went home and for days I was still thinking about this piece, and I think fate was kind of playing a role because when I called back, it's $195, and I just want to see if you guys still have it.
We still got it.
Oh my gosh! I've got lots of hacks and organizing tips to share that apply to any space. Today's video is brought to you in part by Rakuten. Get cash back free. So here was the kicker. This armoire was a couple of hours away, so my incredible husband, shout out to Charlie in the comments down below, drove out to the thrift store to pick this up for me. Now this piece was massive, and when I say massive, I mean huge. After some research, similar pieces range from $2,000 to $21,000.
Okay, it's in. It fits. Just barely. Clears the wheel wells. But we're good. We're on our way back to Charlotte.
This piece was so heavy, Charlie and I could not lift it by ourselves. So we hired some movers to help, and they tried to lift it upstairs, but it was so big, it would not even fit through the stairwell. So she ended up in the dining room. Here is the before. I do love this space already, but this new piece was just so stately and I got such a screaming deal on it, I had to make room. We did a little bit of shuffling around of the furniture, and sometimes when you get the piece in the right spot, when you know, you know. So everything else I did had to be incredible savings. We completely made over this room for just a couple $100, and here's how I did it. I moved the existing art to another spot of the home, you'll see that soon, and headed to At Home, my #1 secret for 2024. Why? It's like a giant Costco with TJ Maxx prices, and you can buy online and pick up curbside. Their website is awesome, and I don't have to do any of the shopping. Plus, I can shop all of the sales, and there's crazy deals. All furniture and big pieces in particular, especially the clearance, is awesome. We moved the hutch across from the buffet, and I found this mirror 50% off that is gilded and perfectly fit the new style. It was super affordable, and I couldn't wait to take it home. But $99 was still too expensive for me, so I stacked it with their Insider coupon. This is free to get, and Rakuten cashback. Rakuten is so easy to install. You can put this on your browser, or you can have the app on your phone. It's completely free. You download the app and it has thousands of stores, over 3,500, so you get cash back for shopping you were doing anyway. I've used Rakuten for years and years for my kids' clothes, their Nike shoes, Kohl's, Macy's, Sephora. All you have to do is click on the store and shop as normal. And here is the super cool part. For new members, be sure to sign up using my link down below. You get an additional 10% cash back boost on shopping you were doing. So if you want to shop at Home and you're a new member, right now at the filming of this video is 2% cash back. So I'm going to get 12% cash back. And this is a festival of savings event. So let's say there's a store that already has 15% cash back. You get to boost it to 25% cash back for shopping you were doing anyway. These savings are awesome and it's totally free. Be sure to check it out in the link below. You get special access to the boost for 7 days after you sign up. This store is great for home stuff, furniture, those extra accents that normally would cost a lot, but you can combine them with thrifted pieces. So that lamp off to the side, I thrifted for just $10. It retails for about $300. And what I love, At Home actually has tons of dupes that really remind me of Anthropologie. I love browsing in store, and then I can just go back later and order them online. I ended up getting this beautiful hurricane base candle holder. They were under $15. From At Home, I also picked up this super cool bust of a horse, which in the Chronicles of Narnia series, Fledge the horse is the first flying horse in Narnia, and I thought this was the perfect spot to put the key. And I love the pop of red in the corner. And I have tons of little Easter egg surprises, so stay tuned. The buffet below is also a thrifted piece. You may remember in a previous video, I decoupaged this, and putting it on this wall, wow, did it look so cool. I love this space, and I styled it with items that I already had at home. By shopping my house, then I could find some really intentional art that would go with the new space. And here's how I like to do it. I buy a few and try it out. I don't think it's this one.
I think you're right.
I don't think it's that. I think it's this one. It's this girl. Especially with curbside, buy two, find the one for you, and then you can return. I love hanging paintings using painter's tape. It helps get the nails nice and even. I love the sheen on this, but I still haven't returned the other one, so I'd love to hear in the comments below which one you liked. I just shopped my house. I grabbed these tables from upstairs that were really channeling the same vibe, and you might not know this, but eBay is actually on Rakuten, and I love getting vintage books really affordably. This is so luxury and done on a budget. And one of my favorite places to get beautiful, really high-end items is Walmart. All of these gold candlesticks from Walmart.com, they were really affordable, even cheaper than the thrift store and the dollar store this way. Then when it came to the armoire itself, I got some beautiful baskets from At Home. I wanted to make sure that this had such a luxury feel when you opened it up that was worthy of this piece. Spring is an amazing time to buy organizing products, and right now they're up to 50% off at Home. I hope that helps somebody, but I needed something really stately and elegant inside of this cabinet. I went through and I cleaned out the buffet to declutter, and that's when I discovered something I knew I could use. One thing that you have to know about Miss Beauty is that she has been wounded. They literally, I think, to fit a VCR in here, cut through the wood like giant holes. I'm not a woodworker. I am a girl with a camera. So we're gonna get creative, and I'm gonna take you along on the journey. Come here. I took an old tablecloth and a tension rod, and I just draped it over the back to help cover those holes up. And what's a do it on a dime video if something's not from the Dollar Tree? I grabbed these mini frames. They make beautiful labels on baskets. All you have to do is add a bit of hot glue to the back. This is such an elevated look, especially for those larger ones. I put all of the linens inside of this one, and on the bottom shelf, it covered that hole in the back. I loved how everything had a home. This little candle snuffer, by the way, that's also from the Dollar Tree. Keep your eyes peeled for it. I added a few baskets to the middle with that beautiful red draping. In the Chronicles of Narnia, what does Lucy first see when she walks through the wardrobe? A lantern. I found this plug-in one. It was really inexpensive online, and I used some C-hooks to hang this on the back of the wardrobe. I already had the crack in the back, so I decided to work with it. And maybe you're thinking to yourself, I never get that lucky when I'm thrifting. I just have to say, I have found so many really cool pieces when I was in the thrift store. Check out this one. It was under $200 with this beautiful little door, clearly very handcrafted. Look at the drawers on this. They're fantastic. And my local thrift store started putting inspiration pictures on the front of some of the pieces so you could see beyond what's in front of you. Get things really affordably and make it over for your home. I don't know if you felt this way, but I used to style my home based on what was in style. This color is in style, gray is going out, and this is coming back in. But honestly, I feel like it's just been like this getting close to turning 40. I am just scratching all of that and I'm just buying what I like. I don't care if it's in style or this color or that. I'm just buying the things that make me happy. And I hope that you're doing the same for yourself. It doesn't matter what other people think is cool. What you think is cool, that's what you should fill your house with. Be sure to download Rakuten and get your 10% cash back boost, my beautiful friend. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon. I'm going to show them behind us. Next project.